name is Bernadette, and I am the hair color technology specialist at Croda Inc. in the US, where we did the evaluation of the cream hair color with versus without Kereffect SD. Kereffect SD can easily be added at the end of the batch along with the fragrance, or it can be added in the salon in situ while the product is being mixed and prior to application. In both scenarios, it goes in with ease and produces stable formulation. So it's very easy to formulate with. The Kereffect SD has shown improvements in all sensorial attributes, including wet detangling and wet combing. Those two usually are signs of damage caused by hair coloring due to cuticle lifting. This improvement means that some of this damage has been mitigated. Also, adding Kereffect SD to any formula will not affect the hair color uptake or the intensity of the color. When we were salon testing Kereffect SD, the stylist, without knowing which side it was on, would pick up the side of the Kereffect SD and comment how it felt like butter. I also was one of those panelists, and the left side that had the Kereffect SD to this day feels much better and more manageable than the right-hand side. I hope that you will soon try it and see for yourself.